Hey y'all, welcome to Art of the Budget. My name's Nicole. My pronouns are she and her, and I live in the Pacific Northwest in the traditional unceded territories of the Coast Salish nations. And today I'm doing a what I eat in a day in the life. I started shooting earlier today, and some interesting stuff has already happened, so I think I will definitely post this one. Sometimes I start these and then it's just like such a boring day. My house is currently a pretty huge mess. Like, I do not have a clean dish. But I started the day actually getting out of here pretty quickly. I just gave the cats their medicine, and then I headed up to Tacoma with my friend Sam to check out the farmers market up there. So I'm going to start off by showing you footage of that, and then maybe now that I'm home, I'll do some of this cleaning. But anyway, this is what happened this morning. Come into play. So many. These are just so beautiful to look at. I'm dying. Here, bro. Have you guys tried our pastas or ravioli before?
Yeah, peace. Pretty sure, like, when I first started watching her, like, first videos, I'm pretty sure that's, like, what inspired.
Go for it.
Thank you.
I did Caribou yesterday.
Oh, I loved it. We loved being there. It was great.
One side of pork belly and a pork belly.
There you are.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's like a street food.
So this is the pork belly. This is the, can you say it?
Longanisa.
Longanisa and rice. And this is the pancakes with ube. And then the toppings for the pancakes. Oh my god, stunning. Maybe. What a texture. What do you think?
Really good. I like the black sesame on top a lot.
Oh, yum.
Oh, I think that might have been me. But, oh yeah, really good. Awesome.
Real quick, I do want to show you what I got at the market. I just have a little bit of a haul besides the food that we ate there. I did pick up a mixed pack of mushrooms, and there are so many, and they're so beautiful. Maybe I'll cook. I was going to do a mushroom risotto, so maybe I'll do that tonight and include that. If not, I'll probably make something else I have in there. I also got this plantain muffin from, come here, buddy. I'm blanking on the name of the store right now, so I'll put it down below. But I got that plantain muffin and a concha. And then from a place called La Pasta, I got some frozen ravioli, which I gotta go throw this in the freezer. But yeah, if I don't make risotto tonight, I'll probably make that. And then last but not least, Sam treated me to a chimney cake. And we got these before we ate our like breakfast brunch, I guess. But then we were too full to eat these. So anyway, this is a walnut dusted chimney cake, which I guess is a Hungarian street food, and some Nutella to go with it. I'm gonna eat some of that soon, but I'm still pretty full from breakfast, I guess. Also from Sam's Garden, I got a little collection of peppers and one of the flowers from a bouquet that Sam got at the market. Is this a pile of laundry? Yes. Did I do it on Sunday? Yes. Is it Friday now and it's been sitting here? Yes, but it is folded, so I think that's pretty good. I gotta taste this real quick. So they cook it over like a little charcoal grill right in front of you. It's like wrapped around this round thing. It is sweet. So maybe kind of like a funnel cake. It's kind of like a pretzel, but just with sweet topping. I think that's like the best I could do. I bet. Honestly, I bet it was so good when it was hot. So yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff away, and I will see you next time I eat or do something interesting. Oh, boy. Cutie little murderer. Little murderer. Okay, so I just came out of Target. I just got shampoo, and I got this mix pack of M&Ms. There's milk chocolate, peanut butter, and peanut M&Ms in here. I love a combo pack. So I'm gonna eat these and stop at the grocery store. All right, I'm back from the store, and I'm gonna do another little haul. I feel like I have to clean my house, and I don't want to, and so I've just procrastinated it by doing things that were not really essential, but like I can kind of tell myself they're essential. So anyway, I stopped at Target. I've actually been trying to kind of revamp my uniform, so I like to wear a uniform because it's really easy to get dressed in the morning, but like I've gotten to this point where I'm super bored with it. So I went to Target just to see what was happening in the clothing department. I'm not really like an online shopper. I mean, I'm usually a thrifter, and I did get some cool things at the thrift store this week, but I also swung by Old Navy and then today Target just to see what was happening in the world. But I didn't get anything at Target except I got shampoo. Sometimes I have dandruff. And the M&Ms, which I ate. And then I went to a grocery outlet. I spent $7.92 at Target. Then I went to grocery outlet. I got a big box of panko, some quick oats. I've been really obsessed with the baked oats, like the TikTok baked oats, and I ran out of oats. I got some cheeses. I got some mozzarella, some cracked peppercorn cheddar, and some grilling cheese. I feel like I saw this on TikTok and it was like $1.99, so I thought I would try it. So what does that make? Like 2 things that TikTok made me buy. I also bought coffee. If you've watched any of these, you probably know that I buy coffee at grocery outlet in bulk when it's there. It's 32 ounces of coffee, whatever that equals, for $9.99. So pretty good deal. I've had this kind before. I know I like it. I'm not really a coffee snob. I just don't like bitter coffee, so I usually get a medium roast, and that seems to work out. I also got some maple syrup, also related to the TikTok baked oats. I also just like to have maple syrup around for various things. And I got some almond milk. And then I went next door to the Dollar Tree. I was actually hoping to get some sardines and saltine crackers. That was like a major staple for me for like a good chunk of this pandemic. Unfortunately, my favorite sardines, which are packed in hot sauce or mustard, I guess they just had them for a while at the Dollar Tree and they don't have them anymore, so I didn't end up being able to get them. I did get a snack. It's very cheap, like cheesy, like Cheese Whizzy cheese sauce. Honestly, it's so good. Why is it so good? And I got some pretzels, and then I got this pepper cracker. I'm out of black pepper, and this is just like a plastic cracker. I don't know, I need to actually get a pepper grinder at some point, but and then I also got for my car at the Dollar Tree they sell these little cracker packs. So I just keep these in the little part of your car between the seats. And again, so if I'm running around and I just haven't had a chance to eat, I have snacks. I'm packing up and realized I forgot to say I spent $5 at the Dollar Tree exactly, and I spent $42 at Grocery Outlet. That's my grocery haul. Okay, so I just like laid down on the couch and watched the new episode of Grey's Anatomy, and now I'm going to wash all the dishes in the kitchen and make dinner, and then reward myself for washing all the dishes in the kitchen by watching the new Station 19. What are you doing, buddy? Careful. Okay, here's the before. First thing I'm going to do is fill up all these ice cube trays that are empty. I already removed a few items that don't belong in this room and or put items away that could be clearly put into the pantry. Okay, the next thing I did was I just cleared my workspace and cleaned off my cutting board. I'm going to prep some tomato and garlic confit. This is another TikTok thing I've been seeing a lot of, and I'm going to get this in the oven while I clean this mountain of dishes. Okay, I'm going to clean all the stems out of here. These were given to me by my friends and neighbors, Lynette and John and Yuri. I think these little buddies are ground cherry, so I'm just going to eat them. They're sweet like candy. Alright, so I'm going to bust all these garlics out. These are from the farm where I do my CSA, and so they are, I don't believe, meant for long-term storage. These little buddies are from my garden, so I'm going to go ahead and do the confit with them as well. Okay, so I was trying to clean all the skins off, but that is just way too time consuming, so I'm just going to clean them off as much as possible, and then I'll just squish them out when they're done. Because, yeah, I cannot be bothered. Buddy. I am pivoting, so I realized that I need to cover this with oil. So I'm going to use one of these. Instead, I got my giant olive oil. Okay, I think that's enough. Alright, so I'm putting this into a 400-degree oven. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sort everything into the same type of container size. I'll cut the cups and all the dishes, all the small dishes, all the Tupperwares, and then I will get ready to wash them all. I was getting my ingredients out for the confit. I realized that I had one zucchini that had gone bad. It was moldy. So this is the other zucchini. It was in good condition, but I'm just going to cook it now. I did cut it in half and take the seeds out. I don't like the texture of that part. It gets kind of soggy. So I take them out. I'm just going to saute this, and it's going to go with the ravioli that I bought today and the confit that's in the oven. you kidding me? Okay, did I just plate most of this up without you being able to see? Yes, but here we go. I just took a few garlic cloves that came out of their skins, and then some of the tomatoes and olive oil. This is the zucchini, which I just sauteed with a little bit of salt. Yum. Some of that fresh mozzarella. I'm just about out of red pepper, crushed red pepper. Just a little bit. And last but not least, a little bit of my dollar store cracked pepper. Yum. And the kitchen is not done, but it is much improved. Okay, done cleaning the kitchen. For the most part, I'm going to do just a little touch up after I finish eating dinner. Time to eat my ravioli that I got today. This is asparagus pancetta flavor. And again, this is with the tomato and garlic confit, some fresh mozzarella, and some fried zucchini, sauteed zucchini, whatever. And I'm going to smush a little garlic on top. Oh, it's a little spicier than I expected. That last little bit of red pepper. Okay, I just had to go put on soft pants. That is so good. I guess it must be the confit. It's just like so flavorful. And now I'm going to chill out. I'm going to watch Station 19. First episode of the season. I'll see you in the next video. What, Violet?